Welcome to the front of me HUAWEI Nova Y90, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So to do that, we should open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here the ringtone volume panel, the first one, and just to change ringtone of your device, volume of your device, you should swipe to the left or to the right side. This white dot by this way. Also, you can make it by the second way. Just first be sure that here you have selected the ringtone in volume button control, and after that, just by press up or down volume button, you can also change your device ringtone volume. And we can make it by the third way. Just slide to the up or to the down this white dot on the volume panel with our finger. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.